Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix NVIDIA overlay not working in Windows. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to enable NVIDIA in-game overlay. For that you need to enter into your NVIDIA application. Over there you need to enter into your settings, and at the first it shows NVIDIA overlay. Please enable it. So the second step is to restart NVIDIA services. For that you need to enter into services and run as administrator mode, and you need to scroll down and you may see NVIDIA display container. Over there enter into the property and make it as automatic and check whether the status is running or not. If not, please start and click OK. And same as you need to do for NVIDIA local system container. Yeah, it's running, so click apply and then click OK and close it. Our third step is to end NVIDIA process. So for that you need to enter into your task manager. Over the task manager you need to enter into NVIDIA application and you need to end task it. So the fourth step is to install Windows Update. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into Windows Update and please click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. And the fifth step is to run system file checker. For that you need to enter into your command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description, paste it over there. It takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes because you need to load from 0 to 100. So once it's done, you need to copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there. The same, you need to wait for 5 to 9 minutes. It need to be load from 0 to 100, and once it's executed, please check the status. If in case it shows unsuccessful, you need to redo it. So the sixth step is to reinstall the NVIDIA. So for that you need to enter into your control panel. To enter into the program, uninstall a program. So once you uninstalled a program, in the sense you need to install it. Either you need to enter into the device manager and you need to refresh it, or else you need to enter into your settings and Windows Update to download it again. So after that you need to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.